This is a 2010 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. This Honda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.